Do you know what your financial IQ is? Imagine it as a measure of your ability to make sound money decisions and strategies. It's the knowledge that helps you understand how money works, how it's made, managed, invested, and donated. And why is it important? Because it's a key player in managing your personal finances and building wealth. This video will share 15 ways to increase your financial IQ. Are you ready to boost your financial IQ? Let's dive into the first strategy. The first strategy is to read financial books. Immerse yourself in the world of finance through the written word. Books like Rich Dad, Poor Dad or The Intelligent Investor can provide useful insights into the mechanics of money management and investment strategies. These books not only educate but also inspire, helping to cultivate a mindset that embraces financial growth. It's like having a mentor at your fingertips, guiding you on your path to financial literacy. Remember, knowledge is power when it comes to finances. Secondly, consider taking online courses. In our digital age, knowledge is right at our fingertips. Online courses offer a plethora of benefits, and when it comes to finance, the advantages multiply. They provide a structured way to learn about finance, with flexibility to fit into your schedule. You can discover everything from the basics of budgeting to advanced investment strategies. There's a sea of reputable platforms out there. Websites like Coursera and Udemy offer a multitude of financial courses taught by industry professionals. You can also look into Khan Academy for free resources. And for those wanting a more academic approach, universities like Harvard and Stanford offer online finance courses. The beauty of online courses is that they cater to all levels. Whether you're a novice wanting to dip your toes in, or an experienced learner looking to deepen your knowledge, there's a course for you. Remember, online courses provide a structured way to learn about finance. The third strategy involves tuning into financial podcasts. Imagine transforming your daily commute or workout into a personal finance masterclass. That's the beauty of podcasts. They're portable, convenient, and packed with insights. Some popular ones include Money Matters, Financial Independence, and The Wealthy Mindset. These shows bring in financial gurus who share their wisdom and experiences, providing you with a wealth of knowledge at your fingertips. So remember, podcasts can turn commute time into a learning experience. The fourth strategy is to use financial apps. In this digital age, managing your finances has become more convenient than ever. These apps simplify complex financial concepts, making them accessible to everyone. You can track your spending, learn about investment opportunities, and even get tips on saving money. Some top-rated apps to consider are Mint for budgeting and expense tracking, or Robinhood, which offers a friendly platform for new investors. If you're interested in cryptocurrencies, consider Coinbase. For those who are self-employed or run a small business, QuickBooks can be a lifesaver. These are just a few examples. The key is to find the right app that suits your specific needs. Financial apps put a wealth of information at your fingertips. I hope you're enjoying the video. Please like and subscribe for more content like this. The fifth strategy is to leverage artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is shaping the world of finance in ways we never thought possible. It's like having a financial advisor in your pocket, available 24/7. AI can analyze your spending habits, predict future trends, and even suggest ways to save money. It's not just about crunching numbers. AI uses your financial data to create personalized strategies for your financial growth. It can help you make informed decisions, whether you're investing in stocks, saving for retirement, or planning a vacation. The beauty of AI is that it learns from your behavior to provide you with tailored financial advice and insights. So why not give AI a try and see how it can boost your financial IQ? The sixth strategy involves getting a financial mentor. Picture this: a seasoned veteran in the world of finance who has navigated the turbulent waters of economic downturns and ridden the waves of booming markets. This is the person who can guide you in your financial journey. A mentor offers insights that you won't find in books or online courses. They can provide tailored advice based on your specific situation and goals. But where do you find such a mentor? Start by reaching out to successful individuals in your network or join financial communities online. Remember, the ultimate goal is to learn from someone who has been there, done that. A mentor can provide personalized guidance based on their own experiences. The seventh strategy is to learn about taxes. Now, taxes may not be your favorite topic, but they play a crucial role in your financial health. It's not about becoming a tax expert. but understanding the basics can make a world of difference. Let's start with the simple truth. Taxes are here to stay. They're a part of our societal framework, funding public services and infrastructure, but they also impact your personal finances, from your paycheck to your investments. Understanding tax laws and regulations means you're better equipped to plan for the future. It can help you strategize your investments, plan your retirement, and even find ways to legally reduce your tax liability. This doesn't mean you should evade taxes, but rather make informed decisions that optimize your financial situation. Remember, every penny saved in taxes is an extra penny for your financial goals. So, don't shy away from learning the tax ropes. A solid understanding of taxes can save you a significant amount of money. The 8th strategy is to practice budgeting. This is more than just knowing where your money is going. It's about planning where it should go. It's the financial blueprint for your decisions, and it's essential for managing your financial resources effectively. Start by tracking your income and expenses over a month. Categorize your spending into different areas like utilities, groceries, entertainment, and so on. It's crucial to understand your spending habits to make informed decisions. Next, set financial goals. Want to save up for a vacation or pay off a debt? Your budget should reflect this. Allocate a certain percentage of your income towards these goals and stick to it. Remember, budgeting is not about depriving yourself, it's about understanding and controlling your money. It's about making sure your money is working for you, not against you. Finally, review and adjust your budget regularly. As your financial situation changes, so should your budget. The 9th strategy is to understand credit. Now, credit is a powerful tool in personal finance if used properly. It's like a saw, helpful in building, but risky if mishandled. Credit scores, for instance, are vital. They're like your financial report card, affecting everything from getting a loan to renting an apartment. So, maintain a good score by paying bills on time and keeping debts low. Remember, credit isn't extra money. It's borrowed and needs to be repaid. Understanding credit can help you leverage it to your advantage. The 10th strategy is to watch financial documentaries. These films can be a treasure trove of information, offering an immersive experience into the world of finance. They take you behind the scenes of Wall Street, into the minds of billionaire investors, and even into the heart of financial crises. Documentaries like Inside Job, Enron, The Smartest Guys in the Room, and Capital in the 21st Century can provide valuable insights. They use real-life stories to demonstrate financial concepts, making them easier to understand. They can also introduce you to key players in the global economy and their strategies. By watching these, you're not just being entertained, you're educating yourself and increasing your financial IQ. The 11th strategy is to follow financial influencers. The world of finance is teeming with thought leaders and influencers who have an uncanny knack for simplifying complex financial concepts. They serve as virtual mentors, offering insights that can boost your financial IQ significantly. Among these influential figures are Robert Kiyosaki, author of Rich Dad, Poor Dad, and Dave Ramsey, known for his practical advice on debt-free living. Following them can expose you to a wealth of knowledge and strategies that you can apply in your personal finance journey. They demystify finance, making it accessible, understandable, and even enjoyable. Influencers can provide a wealth of practical financial advice. The 12th strategy is to create financial goals. Setting clear and realistic financial goals is a vital step towards increasing your financial IQ. It's like setting a destination before embarking on a journey. You wouldn't start a trip without knowing where you're heading, would you? The same applies to your finances. Start by identifying what you want to achieve. Maybe it's saving for a home, paying off debt, or building an emergency fund. Next, make your goals SMART: specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. This approach brings structure and trackability to your goals. Remember, it's essential to review and adjust your goals as life changes. Because after all, flexibility is the key to resilience. Goal setting can provide a roadmap for your financial journey. The 13th strategy is to automate your finances. With a plethora of digital tools available, you can now set up automatic payments for bills, savings, and investments. This not only eliminates the need for manual tracking, but also ensures consistency in your financial habits. By automating, you're less likely to miss a payment or skip a month's contribution to your savings or investments. It's like having a personal finance manager working round the clock. Automation can help you stick to your financial plan. The 14th strategy is to analyze financial news. Just as a ship's captain needs to stay updated with weather forecasts, a smart investor must keep abreast of financial currents. The financial world is dynamic and ever-changing. Staying updated with the latest news can offer critical insights into market trends, shifts in economic policies, and potential investment opportunities. There are plenty of reliable sources for financial news. You can tune into channels like Bloomberg and CNBC or read publications like the Wall Street Journal and the Financial Times. Online platforms such as MarketWatch and Yahoo Finance also provide real-time updates and analysis. The 15th strategy is to follow economic trends. These trends, such as inflation rates, interest rates, and job market swings, are like the tide, subtly yet significantly impacting your personal finance. Just as a seasoned sailor reads the sea, you too must learn to understand these economic signals. Listen to financial news, read economic reports, and join discussions on financial forums. Proactively asking questions and seeking answers helps in building a solid financial knowledge base. Trends provide a big picture view of the economic landscape, and when you comprehend this, you can make informed decisions about investments, savings, and spending. With this information, you can better navigate the unpredictable waters of personal finance. Understanding economic trends can help you anticipate financial shifts. Finally, remember that increasing your financial IQ is a continuous journey. We've traveled through 15 strategies, from reading financial books to following economic trends. Each approach is a stepping stone towards greater financial wisdom. Whether it's brushing up on tax law, setting financial goals, or delving into the world of artificial intelligence, continuous learning is the key to your financial success. Keep learning, keep growing, and you'll see your financial IQ soar. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more financial wisdom.